going on YouTube? Matty with FusaroFitness, doing another one of these quick meal example videos. I'll probably hit the gym in about an hour and a half or 2 hours, so I'm just going to show you what I'm eating. Nothing special, it's just going to be some Protemeal, which is just oatmeal with some whey protein mix in and probably a yogurt or something. A lot of people are commenting like, you preach if it fits your macros, why do you eat a lot of sweet potato and egg whites and stuff? Guys, if it fits your macros is being misunderstood. It doesn't mean eat shit all day long. That's just a heads up. It means 80 to 90% of your food should come from whole, natural, minimally processed foods. And then you have your, whether you want it to be 10, 15, or at the high end range, 20% of your food coming from those snacks that you want to fit in. So if it fits your macros, people, do eat clean food or bro food. So, I'll show you what I'm having. Alright, so for this part, we actually don't need the scale because I'm just using instant oatmeal. This is maple brown sugar, sugar-free. I already know that it's 18 grams of carbs per packet. I know the macros of it, but either way, we're going to track it in MyFitnessPal. We just don't need the scale to weigh it since it's already pre-packaged. Okay, so that's 3 packages of instant oatmeal, which actually comes out to be the equivalent of 1 cup of oats. So now all I'm going to do is throw some water in it. And what we'll do is microwave it for about a minute and then stir it and check back. And you just really do it to your consistency. I know this sounds stupid, I'm teaching you how to make oatmeal, but believe it or not, a lot of people just don't get it right. Alright, so after a minute, we'll check on it, see how it looks. Still a little bit watery. So, what we're going to do is just mix it around a little bit. And microwave it for another 20 to 30 seconds or so. Also going to be having a Greek yogurt with it. So this is just a light and fit strawberry Greek yogurt with actually really good macros on it. Only 80 calories in this whole thing, so oatmeal's done. Alright, so that's the consistency we want. A little bit liquidy because I will be adding some protein powder in it, which will dry it up and absorb in there. So we're going to put the bowl on the scale so it starts on 0. I'm going to switch it over to grams. Alright, so now we got the oatmeal there. Just using a regular plain vanilla protein powder. 1 serving is 24 grams. We're going half a serving. So we just need 12 grams in here. And this combination is actually really good. The maple brown sugar with vanilla. So, like I said, we only need 12 grams of this. There we go. And we'll mix that in. So that's pretty much the consistency we're looking for. You know, not too thick to where you can't even get your spoon through it, but still like that. So that's pretty much it. It's the oatmeal, this, and we're just gonna have a Greek yogurt on the side. And yeah, nothing fancy. I'm pretty simple when it comes to the majority of my meals. So I'll just show you real quick again how to track with MyFitnessPal. It's unbelievably simple. Alright, so let's show you again how easy it is to track macros. Meal 1, multi-add, so you can add more than one thing at once. We'll start with the instant oats. First thing that comes up, 3 packages, which is the same as 1 cup of oats, same macros. Add. Next was the whey protein. The Whey Tech Vanilla, 1 scoop. We actually used 0.5, half a scoop. Add. And then lastly, we have the Dannon yogurt. And add. Cancel. Add checked. And you can see right there. 430 calories for this meal. 3 packages of oatmeal, half a scoop of whey protein, and the Greek yogurt, which is everything pictured right there. So, again, tracking macros. No excuse not to do it if you're really serious about your goals. It takes less than 10 seconds per meal, and that's it. So, if you enjoyed the video, again, don't forget to click that thumbs up button. I appreciate the feedback. Leave a comment down below. and subscribe if you have not already. Thanks again. I'll catch you in the next video because I'm hungry. This is the outro screen. If you look to the left-hand side, you'll see 1, 2, 3 videos that I did previously, like months ago, or maybe even yesterday. But you can click them and they'll open up in a new window. You can also click that link below me where it says subscribe. And no, I didn't say below me, I said below me, and you can click that to subscribe to the channel. And you should already be subscribed, but you can also look in the description box and visit me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Give those all a like and follow me. I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out, bro.